What's up, everyone? I was about to go work out, but then this fox basically said that I should go play golf. So I'm wide open. I had 5 clubs that I was gonna go hit on the range. The driver 6-iron, 9-iron, 56, and my putter. So let's go, baby. Hole 10, you can sometimes drive it if you cut the left side, but you know, kind of fell a little short. 56, hit it a little short too in the rough. I know I look like I'm going to a NASCAR race. Looks super good. There's a cool tractor. 2-putted this from the fringe. Didn't hit the green and reg, but there it is. Man, that pencil sounds so good on fresh scorecard, doesn't it? So usually I track my putts and my green and regulations. You know, if you want a birdie, you gotta hit that greens, you know? I haven't chipped in a putt or chipped in a chip in forever. This par 3 was pretty, you know, long and weird. 6-iron. But look at that. Hit it center, pin high. And you know what? My putting wasn't bad today, but I really couldn't lag it that well. Kind of weird. I really dig this 5 club though. I didn't really have to think of any. I didn't have to overthink today, which is a really good thing when you're golfing. Look at that, I just blew over the frickin' camera. How cool was that? Nice little 6-iron. See, usually I would overthink this and try to pimp something, not a 6-iron. And there you go. That's the classic Skull F as S, you know, over the green. I didn't know it'd run this much, but it's pretty good because they just punched and sanded for the, you know, good old fall weather. Look at that track, the little shot tracer. I like that with the little dew. Yeah, so you know, first bogey. Usually I bogey the first hole, not the third hole, so this is a pretty good start. Always have to remind yourself that you suck, to humble yourself. Per 13, oh wait, hole 13. This is probably one of the easier holes. Go a little short, but look at this chip. Woo! This is my only 1 putt of the day, but well worth it to save par. Clunk. Woo! Look at that sexy man with his NASCAR hat. Speaking of NASCAR looking, supporting him with the hat. I always like throwing people a curveball at the country club, you know. Always look like the most rugged person, but then spank them. Playing from the blacks, it's pretty deep when you come, you know, play the blacks with 5 clubs. It's pretty fun. This hole's, you know, fairly easy. I was averaging about like 310 with that easy swing with my driver. It's crazy the technology nowadays. You can barely swing and hit it really far. Very forgiving. So yeah, this is, you know, pretty long putt. The 56 was hard. I would have hit, you know, a gap wedge or something here if I had it, but deep on the green, it's kind of hard. But you know, when you're lagging, I know I just said I sucked at lagging, but this is a great lag putt. The whole grip it and rip it worked really well today. Didn't overthink anything. Mental clarity was on point. Well, a pretty, moderately deep par 3. So I had to bring up the 6 iron and give it a little luck. But it's a, short swing today. Actually, I've been doing that short swing and it's been really amazing for my game. What's his name? John Rahm, if you will. It's crazy how much distance you can get when you keep that elbow in and just hit center face. You can get so much yards. I don't know if that was a sentence, but you can get a lot of yards as long as you're lagging it. It really, I think I'm going to start just doing the half swing with all my irons. It's now we're on the hole 16. No, I said par 16 again. This one I pulled, I think it was because someone was staring at me while they were cutting the grass. And, pulled it right into the sand. The sand shots, I've been holstering it after I swing, trying to get the, a shorter swing. But the sand at the ranch just sucks, not gonna lie. It's like hitting out of cement most of the time, so it's really hard to get underneath. But, there's another bogey. Not bad, though, with 5 clubs, Getting out of the sand. I always have to remind myself of the misses and that I'm not perfect. This is a fairly easy par 5. Look at that. Center faces all day, though. Just with that nice, easy swing. Look at this 6 iron. Pimped at 240. Probably more like 230 since I was short, but had an eagle putt. Looks like I may go do some lumberjack things. I am in Montana, but I was just planning on working out, not playing golf, but got out. So a little tap in bird, there you go. Had to remind myself of, positive here. Hit my 6 iron 240. Hashtag maybe 230, 235. Hole 18 is pretty easy as long as you are in the fairway off the drive, which I was. And yep, there's a little nice 9 iron. I've been drawing it all day with that little short swing, so I had to really aim right. Ooh, that's a cute little jump. Yep, so as you know, I didn't want to put much, so look at that. Ooh, oh shit, hey. It's not a good putt, but, not a bad round. +1, the 37. I was just playing back 9, so, maybe I'll show the front 9 too, but had to go work out still. So, 17 putts, not bad. Only won 1 putt, but no 3 putts. Look at that. That was pretty awesome. Only with 5 clubs, too. Isn't that crazy? Just shows that it doesn't really matter. Saved a lot of money, too. Hit 5 green and regs. That's not the best. And I'll obviously had to show you that I still got my workout in. Looks a little cringe here, but I'll show my face. Woo! Fist bumps. Pumps. Guido. Remember Jersey Shore? Huh. That's what I'm working out. My shoulders. For the good old Jersey Shore days. There's a nice little emblem.